Right now, your phone is making hundreds of decisions for you. And you did not even notice. It decided which YouTube video to show you next. It figured out the fastest route to your office. It even guessed which restaurant you were probably going to order from tonight. And all of that? That is artificial intelligence. Already running in your pocket. Already shaping your day. Already knowing you better than some of your friends do. Welcome to day 1 of AI for beginners. And I want to make you a promise right now. By the end of this video, you are not going to just know what AI is. You are going to see it everywhere. In your apps. In your habits. In the tiny decisions your phone makes every single second. Let us get into it. Here is why this matters right now, and I mean right now. AI is not a future technology. It is not something from a sci-fi movie. It is the single most important shift happening in tech today, and it is already changing jobs, businesses, and everyday life at a speed that is honestly breathtaking. The people who understand it, even just the basics, are going to have a massive advantage. And the people who ignore it? They are going to keep being surprised by it. So let us make sure you are in the first group. Okay. First, big question. What actually is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is when a machine is designed to do things that normally require human intelligence. Things like recognizing a face, understanding speech, making a recommendation, solving a problem. That is it. That is the core idea. But let us make it real. Let us talk about Swiggy. When you open Swiggy and it shows you a list of restaurants, do you think that list is random? Absolutely not. Swiggy's AI has been watching. It knows you order biryani every Friday night. It knows you prefer places with a 4-star rating. It knows that when it rains, you are more likely to order comfort food. It knows you better than your own family sometimes. So when you open the app, it is not showing you every restaurant in your city. It is showing you your restaurants. Personalized. Predicted. Powered by AI. That brain inside the Swiggy app, the part that learned your taste from your order history and uses it to make smart suggestions? That is artificial intelligence in action. Now I want to clear up something that confuses almost every beginner. And honestly, it confused me too when I started. People use 3 terms like they all mean the same thing: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. They are not the same thing. But they are related. And the relationship is actually really simple once you see it. Think of it like this. AI is the big umbrella. The giant category. It covers any machine doing something intelligent. Machine learning is one way to build AI. Instead of programming every rule by hand, you let the machine learn from data. You feed it thousands of examples, and it figures out the patterns itself. And deep learning? That is a special, powerful type of machine learning that uses something called a neural network, which is loosely inspired by how the human brain works. It is incredibly good at things like recognizing images, understanding speech, and translating languages. So here is the simple version. All machine learning is AI. But not all AI is machine learning. And all deep learning is machine learning. But not all machine learning is deep learning. They are like Russian nesting dolls. Each one fits inside the bigger one. And here is the cool part. You use all 3 every single day without knowing it. When Google Maps reroutes you around traffic, that is machine learning. When your phone unlocks with your face, that is deep learning. When Spotify builds you a Discover Weekly playlist that somehow always has that one perfect song? That is AI. All of it. Everywhere. Okay, let us go one level deeper. There is a distinction that every beginner needs to know. The difference between narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is AI that is incredibly good at one specific thing. Google Maps is extraordinary at navigation. But ask it to write you a poem and it is completely lost. YouTube's recommendation engine is brilliant at suggesting videos. But it cannot drive a car. Every AI you use today, and I mean every single one, is narrow AI. It is a specialist. A world-class specialist, but a specialist. General AI is the idea of a machine that can do anything a human can do. Learn any skill. Switch between tasks. Think flexibly. Reason about completely new situations. Here is the honest truth. General AI does not exist yet. It is still a research goal. Scientists and engineers around the world are working toward it, but we are not there. Not even close by some measures. So when you hear dramatic headlines about AI taking over the world, just remember, we are still in the era of very smart specialists. Not super intelligent machines. Alright, this is my favorite part. Let us spot AI in your actual daily life right now. You wake up. Your phone shows you notifications it thinks are important. AI ranked them. You check YouTube. The homepage is personalized just for you. AI built that. You ask Google a question and it answers in plain English instead of just links. That is AI understanding your language. You get in your car or open Google Maps. It already knows there is a jam on your usual route and has a better one ready. AI predicted that traffic. You check your email. Spam is already filtered out. AI caught it. You shop online. The recommended products feel eerily accurate. AI studied your behavior. You use autocorrect while texting. AI is finishing your sentences. Your music app plays something you have never heard but somehow already love. AI figured out your taste. That is not 10 examples. That is just your morning. AI is not coming. It is already here and it has been here for a while. We just did not have a name for it. Now let us talk about 3 mistakes almost every beginner makes. Because getting these wrong will slow you down. Mistake 1. Thinking AI is always right. It is not. AI learns from data, and if the data has gaps or biases, the AI will too. It is powerful, but it is not perfect. Always think critically. Mistake 2. Thinking you need to be a math genius to understand AI. You do not. You need curiosity and the willingness to learn concepts step by step. The math comes later, optionally. Start with the ideas. Mistake 3. Thinking AI and robots are the same thing. A robot is a physical machine. AI is software, it is intelligence. A robot can have AI inside it, but most AI has no physical body at all. The AI recommending your next Netflix show is not walking around anywhere. It is just code doing something clever. So here is your one-sentence takeaway from today. AI is not magic and it is not a distant future. It is software that learns from data to make smart decisions, and it is already running inside almost every app you use daily. And here is your challenge for the comments section. I want you to open your phone right now, look at the apps you used today, and tell me one place where you spotted AI working. Drop it below. Let us build a list together, and I promise you, once you start seeing it, you cannot unsee it. See you in day 2.